Hello friends, today we are going to learn Ifelse statement in PHP. In next video we are going to we are learn if statement in PHP. Okay, what you will learn in this video? If statement. Okay, what is meaning by if else statement? The if else statement executes some code if a condition is true and another code if that condition is false. Okay, in simple words, in programming you reach at some point or some stage where you need to execute some part of code when the condition is right, or if the condition is wrong then you want to execute another part of the code, then you can use this type of statement. Okay, if in last time there is a not a false statement, here one false statement. If the condition is false then the statement is executed of false. Okay, this is a flow chart, and this is condition. In next in first if statement, there is only one condition, and there is a not else block, so this is directly execute the body of the uh, code. Okay, this is simple code. Okay, here we are taking a one. Okay, we are writing this into our VS Code, and then we are going to run this code. If this is running or not, we have to just check. Okay, first we are going to open a statement. Okay, just create a new file, name it if else.php. php. Okay, dollar t equal to. Okay, dollar t equal to date column h. Okay, now check one condition, that if dollar $t is less than 20, then print have a good day, or else print have a good night. Okay, how? Uh, if you don't understand, then I will explain what is date function. Date function return the hours or time, current time of what is the current hours. Okay, if the current time is now 14 or 14, let's say 14, then this is returning 14, and check in the condition that this is equal to 20 or not. Okay, if it is less than 20, then this is day, or else this is night. Okay, just we are going to running Chrome, open Chrome, and don't forget to start Apache. Okay, this is a day now. So here the printing is have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. The output is Perfect. Okay, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video.